Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to change team in eFootball 2024 mobile. So when you open your eFootball app on your mobile device, as you can see, now here tap on the game plan right here at the bottom to basically go to your team profile. And here what you're going to do is tap on your team logo. Then once you tap on that, tap on base team settings right here at the bottom. Now on the next page, you just need to tap on this base team here on top, and here basically you can now choose a team that you want to play in eFootball. So we have Europe, South America, North and Central America team, Asia, Oceania, and Africa. So for example, if you want to look for a team from Europe, basically you just need to find here any team that you want to change your current team in eFootball. And here, as you can see, I've changed it to another team. So that's all. That's how you basically change team in eFootball. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.